My name is Miles Darsievin, and I'm the chairman of the Shaftesbury Asset Management Group, which is based in Luxembourg. We came to the presentations today seeking to raise capital for a new fund that we're establishing. Bespoke found us and approached us, and we decided to go with it. What I've enjoyed most about today's experience is the fact that it was a small group, and so the conversations were generally of a very high quality. Following up these discussions we've had today, we've made a number of meetings, organized a number of meetings, and agreed a number of conference calls in the next week.
Good afternoon, I'm Peter Robertson, the Global Sales Director for Arero. We're an internationally based energy company which delivers software for internal environments to do with heating, ventilation and air conditioning. We thoroughly enjoy the bespoke events, and this is my fourth event now, ranging from Geneva last year to a couple of times at the RAC building in London. Bespoke are a great team to put our business in front of people and family offices to do with our industry and funding and equity funding as well. We've met quite a few people that we've engaged with already. We've got some success already in the pipeline, and really for us it's a part of our strategy towards the growth of Arero, and using Bespoke and their team and their knowledge and their massive database of contacts has been great for us. We're here at the RAC today, and this event in particular, we've met some very high caliber individuals and investors in the industry. We're following up on a lot of the investors that we've met through the Bespoke team. They're very good at engaging us initially at the first interview, but then after that we are following up through Dubai, also Europe and Australia on some of the contacts that we've made here. We'd thoroughly recommend Bespoke because they're a superb team. They make it a bit of fun and they take away some of the stuffiness, if I can call it that generally happens around events like this.
My name is Johan Engelbrecht. I'm the CEO of Mobu, and we're all the way here from the lovely, beautiful South Africa. We're here today for the Bespoke real estate event. We are a decentralized and end-to-end solution for launching compliant security token, and we aim to change the way companies capitalize themselves. We are privileged. We have attended other similar events in the past, similar family offices events as well. We found this one to be very productive and informative, and we also gained the opportunity to get to know the investors on a more one-on-one personal basis. We just released the front end of our MVP, and we intend to launch the back end side, the more technical side, within the next 2 months. And we'll definitely get in touch with all the lovely people we got the opportunity to meet today, and just give them some feedback on our progress. We're fortunate enough to have some of them we've added on LinkedIn and got their phone numbers so we can communicate on a more personal basis going forward. I think today was very professionally handled, and we got the opportunity to interact with real investors, as there is a lot of talkers out there, unfortunately, in the real world. But I think these were real investors asking the right questions, and I believe us walking a path with them going forward. I would definitely recommend Bespoke connect with our peers, as this is very professionally handled and got access to real investors and the opportunity to present to real capital.
My name is Konrad Mech. I'm one of the founders and the CEO of Norken. We're here today to promote our second fund, which is about to invest in Germany in commercial real estate, mostly in office properties. We call it A cities because Germany functions in a different way than the UK does. You have major cities with significant office markets that are really interesting in investing in. We really like the format because the first panel discussion sort of settled the entire tone of the meetings that we've had, and it was exactly what we were aiming for. The quality of the discussion we've had today was really, really good. It was on a very high and professional level, and this was exactly what we expected from the format. I think we will have a lot of follow-up meetings after the discussion we've had today. A lot of people showed interest in what we could offer with our first and also second fund. We also outlined the opportunities investing in logistics in Germany, which most people find pretty interesting. There are several products which require capital from 1 million up to hundreds of millions, which we can set up, and there are a lot of possibilities that we just sort of unrevealed today, and we're happy to do the follow-up meetings in the days to come. Yeah. We would be happy to recommend Bespoke Connections first and foremost for other family office, which we are our clients right now, so probably they have more opportunities to invest in, which also makes us happy if they're happy.
Hi, I'm Manraj Rai, the CEO at Go Eureka, based out of Singapore, and we're building a hotel booking platform based out on blockchain technology. I think the format was great, the way it was set out in terms of the panel discussion that we started off with, and moved on to the meeting where we did a presentation with 15 individuals, and then carried forward to one-on-one meetings, which were very fruitful, for us to basically give a bit more of a detailed description and understanding on our platform to people who were interested. The amount of investors that have attended this particular event, to me, was great, because we had people from who understand the hotel space and who actually come from real estate backgrounds as well. So they understand the element of what we are creating for the hotel industry, and what we had to do above and beyond that was sort of explain to them the whole blockchain aspect of the platform. But they all got it quite quickly because they understand the whole business concept of what we're creating. We look forward to following up with the individuals that we had discussions with. All the conversations that we had were very interesting. And I think the one thing that we managed to relate to, some of the individuals that we spoke to were actually hoteliers themselves, and they want to involve their inventory or the hotels that they have onto our platform. So to me, that's a valid discussion moving forward, and we're looking forward to carrying that on, because at the end of the day, we're creating a platform which is 0% commissions, and it's very valuable for hotels to come onto a platform like ours moving forward. So we definitely look forward to working with Bespoke Connections in the future. I think that this particular event that we attended will be a very fruitful event, because we do have a number of follow-ups that I think will generate more leads down the road as well. And in terms of recommendation, we would definitely recommend them to other companies within the space who are also looking to meet potential investors.